In this video that you are watching right now, ChatGPT actually helped me write this hook. Want to know how? So here's the cool part. The video you're watching right now, I actually used ChatGPT to help me create the hook. Let me show you exactly how I did it and how you can get the best hooks out there without paying a lot of money for some kind of course. I opened ChatGPT and I used the prompt, I want you to research the top hooks, the strategies for the best short form video hooks out there, and give me those formulas. Now, ChatGPT is going to come back with the research on what works best. Things like open loops, problem to promise setups, authority style, outcomes first, and pattern interrupts. From there, I decided to go even deeper and ask ChatGPT to build formulas that I could use over and over again in my own videos that seem very authentic to me. Here is a quick list of 5 hook formulas that you can actually plug in directly to ChatGPT or drop into your own scripts. Number 1, emotion plus curiosity gap. Lead with a strong feeling and then tease the answer. That's actually my favorite one. Number 2, problem to promise. Call out the pain point and then promise the fix. Number 3, authority style. Speak as the expert who's been there and can shortcut the learning curve. Something like, it took me 5 years to learn this trick and I'm going to show you how to do it in 5 minutes. Number 4, outcome first demo. Start by showing the result and then explaining how you got there. Number 5, another one of my favorites, open loops. Tease the answer without revealing it until later in the video. The best part of all this, you can combine these formulas. For example, add emotion and curiosity to an open loop hook, and suddenly it's almost impossible for someone to scroll past your video. So the next time you're stuck trying to come up with the first line, and arguably the most important line for your TikToks, Reels, or YouTube Shorts, just drop one of these formulas into ChatGPT, let it brainstorm for you, and then refine until it feels like your voice. And by the way, that is exactly what I did for this video and all of my videos. So if you want to see more behind the scenes AI strategies like this, make sure to subscribe, like, and share it with a friend. And if you have ideas of things you want to learn more about, hit me in the comments.